Nursery. Today we're going to learn about letter sounds. First we're going to look at some everyday sounds, things that things make different sounds. I've got someone to help me today. His name is Horsey. Neigh, neigh. Oh, I forgot, Horsey. You don't talk, do you? You make the sound neigh. That's what sound a horse makes. His name is Horse and he makes the sound neigh. Let's have a look at some pictures. What sound does a cow make? A cow makes the sound moo. What sound does a bee make? A bee makes the sound bzzz. What sound does a clock make? A clock makes the sound tick tock, tick tock. What sound does a ball make when you bounce it on the floor? A ball makes the sound boing, boing. What sound does a snake make? A snake makes the sound s. His name is Snake and his sound is s. What sound does a horse make when he goes down a slide? You come and help me, Horsey. When he goes down the slide, he makes the sound whee, whee. What sound does the teacher make when she goes like this? Shh. This one makes the sound shh. Let's have a look at one of the letters. This letter has a name and a sound. The name of this letter is M. And the sound that it makes is mm. Mm. Let's look at some things that begin with mm. Mm for Minnie. Minnie Mouse. Hi, Minnie Mouse. M for Minnie and M for Mouse. And also for Mickey. M for Mickey Mouse. M for mouse and for Mickey. What about this one? This one is a magnet. It sticks to metal things. M for magnet and for metal. How about this one? M for monster. Let's see what else we could do. How about mix? Can you mix? M for mix. Mix. How about for meow? A cat makes the sound meow. Can you be a cat? Meow, meow. Can you be a for mouse? Mouse. How about monster? Can you be a monster? For monster. Ah! How about... That's it. No more. Right. When this video stops, you can go on the next two videos which were songs about Remember, the name of the letter is M. Oh, and the sound of the letter is Good listening, Nursery.